Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to stop buffering on Firestick. Let's go. Open Settings. Network. Choose your network. Press play and pause to check network status. Run speed test. Buffering occurs due to a bad connection. If your speed is slow, then it's about your internet. If the speed is normal, then the service you use has a problem. Also, the problem may occur due to the enable VPN. What to do? Change the network, turn off the VPN, or change IPTV Service. That's it. Now you know how to stop buffering on Firestick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.